Transform your finances with these smart money habits. Ever feel like money just slips through your fingers? You're not alone. Most people let their money control them. But what if you could take the reins? By adopting these smart money habits, you can break free from financial stress and build lasting wealth. 1. Track every dollar. You can't control what you don't measure. Start tracking your income and expenses, no matter how small. Use a notebook, Google Sheets, or apps like Mint or Spendee. When you see where your money goes, you'll quickly find where it's running away. What gets measured gets managed. 2. Pay yourself first. Most people pay bills, buy groceries, and then save whatever's left, usually nothing. Wealthy people do the opposite. Pay yourself first, even if it's just 10% of your income. This habit builds discipline and wealth over time. Saving is not what's left after spending. It's what comes before spending. 3. Invest consistently. Saving alone won't make you rich. Investing will. Make investing a monthly habit, even with small amounts. Start with simple options like mutual funds, real estate savings plans, or treasury bills. 4. Keep learning about money. Financial literacy is power. Read books, watch finance videos, and learn from people who are where you want to be. The more you understand money, the less likely it is to control you. Knowledge truly is wealth. 5. Avoid bad debt. Not all debt is bad, but debt used for consumption will trap you. Avoid borrowing for things that lose value. Use debt to build assets, not appearances. 6. Set financial goals. Without goals, money will slip through your fingers. Set short-term and long-term goals like saving for a big purchase or investing in your future. Goals give your money a mission, and that's how you stay focused. 7. Surround yourself with financially smart people. Your mindset shapes your money. Hang around savers and investors, and you'll learn to grow. Find mentors, online communities, or friends who talk about progress, not just problems. 8. Automate your savings and bills. Make saving automatic. Set up bank transfers that move a percentage of your income into your savings or investment account each month. 9. Give and be grateful. Giving creates a mindset of abundance, and gratitude keeps you grounded and disciplined. It's the perfect balance for success. Final words. Building wealth isn't about doing big things once. It's about doing small, smart things every day. Track your money. Save first. Invest consistently. And stay patient and disciplined. Your financial future is in your hands.